Hey, you know what I never did? I never checked to see what the average score of the final part one was. Because look at this, I got a 60 out of 70. It was actually originally a 58.5 out of 70, but then he added some points on it for because he like miswrote one of the questions. Look at my score for exam one. I just reached my hand into a spider web. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Okay. What? What? I got the highest grade in the class. Whoa! Oh, on the final, part one. Whoa! Dude, the median score was a 47 out of 70. What on earth? The median score was a 67%. Nobody got higher than a 60 out of 70. Dude. I mean, how badly could he have possibly written that exam for everyone to do worse than me? Dude, what is 60 out of 70? The top score in the class was an 85%. Nobody got better than 85%. What? That's only one part of the final, but still, my goodness. What? And the lowest was a 29 out of 70. Let's see. It was a 41% was the lowest score. Dude. And I had to have gotten lucky on so many of those questions too, because I was so unconfident about pretty much every single question on that test. Man. Oh my goodness. Whoa. I know, right? That was so hard. But I was expecting it to be that hard because that's how all the previous exams had been. But I found that one to be even harder than the first one. And yet I did slightly better on it because of the first one I got a 54 out of 70. The highest score on this one was a 66 out of 70. The median was a 49, so I was still slightly above the median there. And I was actually almost up to the upper quartile in terms of those. But on this one, I actually tied maybe, I don't know if anyone else got a 60 out of 70, but I at least tied for the highest score in the class on this particular part of the exam. Wow. So it wasn't just me. It was hard for everybody. Let us see here. What questions I got wrong? Because hey, I got that one wrong. That was so fun. Let's see. What? Come on, man. It's always the straight line method. Oh wait, I'm such an idiot. I misread the question. I confused amortization with depreciation. Dang it. I'm such an idiot. I could have easily gotten that right. Ah, come on, man. At least I got a bunch of other stuff right, but man. Oh, come on. I thought the credits reduce the tax dollar for dollar, not the taxable income. That doesn't make sense. Oh, look at that. Look at this. He gave me full points on it anyways. That's good. Okay. Yeah. Sweet. Oh, yeah. Let's see. What was the correct answer? The correct answer was this one. Well, that's fun. Wow, I can't believe how many of these other ones I got right, though. Yeah, I had no idea what the answer to this was. I had to guess. Because I hadn't really read that part of the chapter. He didn't say that was on the test. And also, you know what? A bunch of the questions on this were not from the exam study guide. The study guide gave you hints. It was not a comprehensive study guide. So thanks a lot, buddy. Wow, I got this question right? Wait a minute. Or no, this question. Ha ha! I got this question right. I was stuck on this for a long time, but I actually got it right. Nice. So the point is, I somehow tied for the highest score in the class on that test, or on that part of the test. But on the second part of the test, I probably was terrible. I probably failed every single short problem on that test. That was funny. Okay, so I'm going to now take the quiz that shows a 0 out of 20 score. I wonder if it'll change it from a 0 to a higher score, but let's see. That would be funny if I accidentally took the wrong quiz. Well, if I did, then I could just message the professor. That was funny. I better double check just to be on the safe side, though. Not going to take the wrong quiz. I am not going to take the wrong quiz by accident. So, that was funny. In regression analysis. Huh? ANOVA table? What are you talking about? Uh-oh. Oh, I screwed myself, didn't I? This is clearly not from chapter 10. Okay. Well then. Thank you. Let's see here. Can I pass this quiz even though I did not read the chapter for it yet? This is so great. Oh my goodness. This is just awesome. Oh. Okay. So this quiz is clearly over chapter 11. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. We're going to do the best I can, but if I get any question wrong at all, well, we'll see. ANOVA table. Let's see. I'm just going to try to answer all the questions regarding these key terms. ANOVA table for regression used to test whether the explanatory variables as a whole have any significant explanatory power. They test, I don't know, the answer to that one. In regression analysis, multicollinearity refers to what? Occurs when there is a fairly strong linear relationship between explanatory variables. Okay, so explanatory variables has a strong relationship. Parsimony. Parsimony. The concept of explaining the most with the least. Explaining the most with the least. A scatter plot that exhibits a fan shape is an example. Okay, let's see. Fan shape. Okay, what are the options? It's like homo something, hetero something, autocorrelation, multicollinearity. Okay, it looks as if we're going to have something or other. Autocorrelation, maybe not that one. So it's probably homo, an unequal variance of the dependent variable. Okay, I have a decent guess for that, but I'm not going to answer it yet. Another term for constant error variance. Constant error variance. Let's try autocorrelation. Or it could be hetero blah, blah, blah. It might be that. Okay. Which of the following... So I'm going to use the PowerPoint to solve those questions that I can't answer right now. Which of the following is not... And by the way, how much time do I have left? 25 minutes? I have plenty of time. Which of the following is not one of the assumptions of regression? Dude, I wonder if quiz 4.2 is over chapter 10. Oh, geez. Which of the following is not one of the assumptions of regression? Assumptions of regression. I don't know. The test statistics in ANOVA analysis, I don't know. The error term represents the vertical distance from any point. Is there error term here? Do we have error term here? Error. There's error. The distance between the actual y value and the predicted value from the population regression line. Okay, so from any point to the population regression line. I think it's population regression line, but we'll go back to it. Suppose you run a regression of a person's height on the right and left foot sizes, and you suspect that there may be multicollinearity between the foot sizes. I don't even know what that means. What is multicollinearity? It occurs when there's a fairly strong linear relationships between explanatory variables. What types of problems might you see if your suspicions are true? I have no idea. Time series data often exhibits which of the following characteristics? I don't know. All right, well, this is fun. Now we're going to have to open the PowerPoint for chapter 11 because the quizzes are completely screwed up, and it's giving me a quiz over chapter 11 when I just studied chapter 10. So that's fun. And if I fail, I'm fine. I can just message the professor and tell her I failed. And because of the fact that it did not prepare me, it was a mistake. There was a mistake. But it was turned in like over a week late. But anyways, stop. 4.2. Yeah, this is clearly chapter 11 right here. Oh my gosh, man. Dude, I wonder if the next quiz is going to be over a different chapter entirely. Okay, so we need to look some stuff up for our quiz. What stuff do we need to look up? ANOVA table. Hey, look, regression assumptions. That's one of the quiz questions. Wait, is this chapter 11? Yes. Okay, so one of the assumptions is... Where's the assumptions? All right, so one of the assumptions is there's a population regression line. Another assumption is that for any values of the explanatory variables, the variance or standard deviation of the dependent variable is a constant, the same for all such values. The standard deviation of the dependent variable, the errors for any values of explanatory variables, the dependent variable is normally distributed. The errors are probabilistically independent. The variation of the y's about the regression line is the same. The errors are normally distributed. Oh my gosh, dude, what the heck? Oh, come on, this is... The ANOVA variable analyzes what? Where's ANOVA table? Why is that the first question? How much time do I have left? 20 minutes. Okay, so we have ANOVA. It analyzes what? What does it analyze? All coefficients is not zero. I have no freaking idea. Ah! Scatter plot that exhibits a fan shape. I'm just going to literally search the word fan. Hey, look. Non-constant error variance. It's probably actually going to be hetero something. So it looks like it's going to be the hetero one. Hetero. I have no idea how to pronounce it. Constant error variance. All right. Homo something. Constant error variance is going to be homoscedasticity. Is it homoskit or how do you pronounce the SC part of it? This is stupid. What? Okay, that one. Test statistic ANOVA, blah blah blah. So that's pretty simple. They already told you that, right? It says use F-test. It's an F-test? ANOVA analysis. Wait, it is? It's an F-test? Oh, dang it, I don't know. Well, it says F right there in the PowerPoint. Okay. Error term. Okay, error term. Error. It's got to be at the point, any point to the population regression line. It's got to be that, right? Multicollinearity. Wrong signs of the coefficients. Wrong signs of the coefficients. Wrong values for the coefficients. No, wrong signs. Smaller than expected t values. And larger than expected p values. Dude, small t values. Oh my gosh. Because like wrong values for the coefficients? No, wrong signs would be the problem. Man, this is so hard. Oh. Okay, wait. Time series data. Time series data. Often exhibits a characteristic. Autocorrelation. Autocorrelation of residuals? Okay then. So we're how much farther do we get? Variation. ANOVA table. ANOVA table. Tests whether the explained variation is large compared to the unexplained variation. Which variable is it? Which of the following is not one of the assumptions? Assumptions. Okay, this is the wrong one. Okay, and then 9. How much time we have? We have 2. We're not even halfway through our time. Oh wait, yeah, we are. Think. Suppose. It can't possibly be all the options. Because it's not wrong values, it's wrong signs. It's wrong signs. Dang it. Wait, what's the problem again? Wrong signs of the coefficients. It says wrong signs of the coefficients. Large p-values. I'm going to say they're all correct. Oh, geez. One more question. I'm going to search ANOVA table in this chapter. I don't know where it is. Which part of it is it in? It's in 11.3. A test for the overall fit. How much time do I have left? I have 9 minutes to figure out the answer to number 1. Thanks a lot, quiz. Okay. Variation of the dependent variable y. Variation of this one. And please tell me I got 100%. Okay, I'm not gonna bother messaging my professor. What? How? How is that the correct answer? That cannot be the right answer. Fan shape. There's no way. There's no way. This is from part what? Statistical model. There's no way. How is that the answer? It's funny. I just took a quiz over a section I had not read because the course is completely screwed up. Where's the fan shape thing? That has to be wrong. That has to be. Is fan on here? Fan. Where is it? What? What the? I don't see it. What? It doesn't show. You suck, dude. Well, the word fan is on here. I need to look for it. Hey, look! Scatter plots with this fan shape are not uncommon. We say the data in this graph. Hey, look! I was correct! I was stinking correct, dude. I was stinking correct. The quiz itself is wrong. Look at that. Look at that. I was correct. My answer was correct. Their answer is wrong. Too bad. Oh well, whatever. Whatever, dude. So, now what is my grade in the class? It just went down, actually, didn't it? Oh, whoa! Oh, it went up. You know why? Because it originally said I had a 0 out of 20, but now it went up to a 96.86. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Yep, I did it over a week late. But yeah, I guess I may as well just take the second quiz then. Because, like, what if the second quiz is also a chapter I haven't read yet? That'd be hilarious. That would be so funny. So yeah, hilariously enough, I actually should have gotten 100% on that quiz. It's just glitched out. So even if I had read the chapter, I still would have gotten 18 out of 20. So that's funny. So now I guess I can take the other quiz too. That's funny. Wow. Oh, that was funny. I will open the readings for chapter. So the 4.1 quiz was supposed to be over chapter 10, but it was over chapter 11. So I took the quiz without having read the PowerPoint for the chapter, and I still should have gotten 100%, but there was a glitch on the quiz, so it cost me to get an 18 out of 20, but I don't care at this point. I don't care enough to even try it. It's not like I even deserve any points for it anyways, because I took it over a week late. So, readings for hey, at least that means I don't have to read chapter 11. Well, I probably will have to study it later, but not now. Because I already took the quiz over. Jeez. So, this is kind of weird, but I'm taking this quiz now. Let's see if this quiz is going to be over a chapter I haven't read as well. Yep, this is over chapter 10. Right? I don't even remember the term autocorrelation. Okay, but yeah, I think this is... Oh, I should have had the terms open. Wait, I need to open the thing. I should have opened this before. Summary of key terms. So, quiz. So, a scatter plot that appears as a shapeless mass of data points indicates no relationship among the variables. The term autocorrelation, I forgot what it means. Oh no, where is it? Dude, that's in the next chapter. Are you kidding me? Okay, fine, I'll skip it. Jeez. Or is it? You would think the term autocorrelation would be here. Wait, let's see if it is in this chapter. Oh, here we go. Usually related to their own past values. Time series variables are usually related to their own past values. Well, that's directly from the PowerPoint. I don't see how that could possibly... Anyways, in regression analysis, multicollinearity. Hold up. Wasn't that in the last quiz? Wasn't that in the last quiz, though? I thought it was. Oh well, I'll just go back to it. A scatter plot that exhibits a... Oh my gosh! No way! There's two questions from the last quiz. You've got to be kidding. These quizzes are totally screwed up. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, this is so terrible. This is terrible. Oh, look at all these questions from the last quiz. And I'm going to put the correct answer, even though... Guidelines for including, excluding variables. In a regression equation. Dang it. Determine whether to include or exclude a variable. Uh-oh. This is not good. It was looking good there for 2 questions. This is not... Dude, I think they may have even gone into chapter 12. Wait a minute. Let me see. Maybe not. There's an autocorrelation. Exponential trend model? Wait. Fan shape should be this, even though... Oh, I forgot what multicollinearities stood for. I think explanatory variables being highly correlated. So maybe it doesn't go into chapter 12. All right. Well, it's looking like it's another bunch of questions from chapter 11, but there seemed to be 2 questions from chapter 10 at the beginning, and then the rest of it seems to be from chapter 11. Man. Well, I gotta double check those answers for chapter 11. Well, so much for taking a quiz over chapter 10. So much for that. Dude. My goodness. I read the presentation for chapter 10, and then I took 2 quizzes over chapter 11. That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. What was I going to look up? I want to confirm a couple of these things. Multi-colon blah 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 stuff. What is multi-colon blah? Explanatory variables are highly correlated. Explanatory variables are highly correlated. They said the answer was homo, but I said hetero. It sounds like I'm saying something else. Which of the following definitions is parsimony? Blah blah blah. Explain the most with the least. I already did that. Okay, guideline. I'm gonna just literally search the word guideline. Several guidelines. Ooh, here are some guidelines. Okay, so look at the variable's t-value and its associated p-value. That is one. Check whether a variable's t-value is less than 1 or greater than 1 in magnitude. So that's one. Look at t-values and p-values. Look at t-values and p-values. If a group of variables are in some sense logically related. Okay, so logically related to one another. Use an economic and physical theory to decide blah, blah, blah. So, looks like they're all options. When determining whether to include or exclude a variable, candidate for inclusion. If the p-value associated with the variable's t-value. Wait, where's the thing? Okay, if the p-value associated with, if it's above something, that means it's a candidate for exclusion. So if the p-value is above a certain level, it's a candidate for exclusion. So if it's the p-value is above the value, then it's a candidate for exclusion. And then determining, so how much time do I have left? 21 minutes. Something regression. Well, estimate a series of regression equations by successfully adding or deleting variables according to prescribed rules. Is referred to as stepwise regression. Many statistical packages have 3 types of equation building procedures. Equation, let's just search the word procedure. Yay! There's forwards, backward, and stepwise. Forward, backward, and stepwise. Oh. Dude, what? Wait, I completed the whole quiz. What on earth? And watch, folks, I'm gonna get the, you know what? I'm gonna look up how to pronounce this. Heteroskedasticity. I need the pronunciation for this word because it's so hard. Oh, come on.
Heteroskedasticity. Heteroskedasticity.
Heteroskedasticity. Anyways, I'm going to get that question wrong again because they have the incorrect answer listed as the correct answer. So, yeah, watch as I get an 18 out of 20. It happened again. That is got to be wrong. That's not right. Watch this. I'm going to copy and paste this. There's a bunch of Quizlet stuff. A scatter plot that exhibits efficiency. Oh my gosh. Hey, look, I was correct and the quiz was wrong. I don't feel like messaging my professor to tell her that the quiz was wrong, and also the fact that both of the quizzes were over Chapter 11. There were a grand total of 2 questions from Chapter 10 on those quizzes. So my grade in the class just went down just because I got 90% on 2 quizzes in a row. So let's see what my grade is now. Wow, it's still a 96.6%. Dude, what the heck? What the heck? Is anybody from the class going to mention that to her, that's wrong? So now I have to do this and this. And the project as well. Wait, she changed the date? The due date of the project. I thought it was originally due yesterday. Eh, whatever. Who cares? I'm not going to finish it today anyways. I'm going to finish the assignments that were due millions of years ago. Millions of years ago. Yes. Sure. Okay then. The exam is worth 100 points. I have to do these problems. Let's see how many problems I have to do. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 problems from Chapter 10. So that's 9 problems from Chapter 10. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 for both chapters. 9 problems from each chapter. And then what about the project that's due today, which I'm not going to be finishing today? Oh my goodness. Oh. No. Oh, this sucks. It's not going to give you the data. You have to find the data yourself. This is going to suck. Well, at least it's near the end of the semester, so if I bomb this assignment, it's not that bad because my grade's already pretty good. Dang it, though. This is going to suck. This is going to take forever. The other project took forever, and it gave you the data. This one, you have to actually find the data. You gotta be kidding me. holy crap, you can't just find data. It's not like you can like Google the data and it'll be right there. You have to actually systematically collect data yourself for this assignment. No way. Man. All right. Well, it seems relatively straightforward. It's just, oh man, it's gonna just take more work than the other projects. Um, that's gonna be fun. Oy, 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 oy. Chapter 10 videos, less than an hour long. It's still going to take millions of years for me to do the assignment. Ooh, chapter 10, number 1. Oof, oof. Explore. Oh. Explore the relationship between the cells. That was funny. We'll unpin this. So, ten, 1. 10, 1. 10, 1. 10, 1. That was funny. Thanks for opening it.